Restoration Movement. The Bible speaks right from the beginning page to the end page about God the Creator working to restore the earth ever since human had fallen into temptation in the Garden of Eden. God has been speaking and working throughout the Bible for the restoration of His creation. The word Kahal in the Old Testament or the church in the New Testament is the same entity owned by Him. So the church did not exist from the day of Pentecost at Jerusalem because the church in the Bible has already spoken as having no beginning and no end. It is now an open fact that the existing churches are not the church spoken and recorded in both the Old Testament and the New Testament. So here we begin the search for the true biblical church, the one and all recognized fact, and that division or multiplication within the church is not the true church. Thank you.